What's good, everybody? It's your Brad here, Steve Bob Joe 97 here. Today we got another reaction video, and today we got some some quality content that it's good content. So today we're watching the masterwork of Zabert Remekis, and it's known as Forrest Gump. It's this really cool nature documentary. It's really great. You can check it out on Schmetflix, which, by the way, is the sponsor of today's video. Is Schmetflix. So yeah, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this bread and let's watch this thing. It's Forrest Gump. Oh my, let's watch this thing. Oof. But your hat's not in place.
Trees are animals. They're great as well. Our ecosystem, more of the same. I mean, the environment as a whole is beautiful. It has a large quantity of leaves, and they give you a nice layer of shade on those hot summer days when you're working outside for $8.25 an hour.
So we ran into some technical difficulties with that. I will totally edit them out. They are going to be edited out of the video right here. I totally won't continue to upload this just for the revenue. Do it for the content. We're gonna start this over again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's get into that quality content.
Trees, aren't they great? Animals, they're great as well. Our ecosystem, more of the same. I mean, the environment as a whole is beautiful. It has a large quantity of leaves, and they give you a nice layer of shade on those hot summer days when you're working outside for $8.25 an hour. But that's another story. Animals remind us of the beauty of our world, and our ecosystem balances everything out, tying everything together like a fancy gift basket. Yes, nature creates a nice barrier to detract from the continuous mundanity of American consumerism. Why get mad that your iPhone doesn't have the latest update when you can walk into the forest and breathe in the fresh pine-scented air? It does the soul good to occasionally remove ourselves from the busyness of everyday life, but it also goes deeper than that. So what does the environment mean to you?
Well, the environment to me, I think it's something that we need to take care of because it's a place where we all live together and we all contribute to how the world is shaped and what it looks like. So we need to take care of it so we don't have any problems like pollution and other things that can damage the environment. So I think the environment's something that we need to take care of and cultivate to make it better and work together to make the world look nicer and like a better place.
Without trees, one cannot truly be alive. No, I don't mean in a philosophical, new age, medicinal kind of way. I mean in a literal sense. You see, trees produce oxygen, which humans and other semi-human-like creatures need to breathe to survive. So the fact that woodlands and forests cover between 30 to 35% of the world's land surface should feel comforting, but at the same time, it doesn't quite feel right. Shouldn't that number be higher? I'm not any kind of nature biologist, but it feels like that number should be higher to make up for most, if not all, of humanity, let alone the numerous other species that live on this planet. Deforestation and other forest-killing ventures may help with building businesses and creating new homes, but there has to be a fine line between having enough room and preserving our environment. How else can we carve our names into trees, or jump and climb on trees, or take the sap out of trees to make syrup? Oh goodness, we're terrible to trees, aren't we?
So what does the environment mean to you? The environment means a lot of things. Most of all, most importantly, I think it's sort of what sustains life. Obviously, we live in the environment. We're a part of nature, so it's very important that we, keep it clean, keep it sustained. Um, it's kind of what is our future. I mean, we live on this earth, which is nature made by God, and it's important that we treat it respectfully. That's it.
You have been lied to over the course of your life. The government may not be run by lizards, and Kylie and Kendall Jenner may be considered celebrities, but humanity is not the only race on this planet that exists. Other varieties of big and small take presence on this planet, and they all require the same thing for survival: equilibrium. Author Stuart L. Pym says that species are in need of developing resilience, which he defines as the rate at which population density returns to equilibrium after a disturbance away from equilibrium. We connect this back to nature since animals have yet to evolve to the point where they can build their own homes and businesses complete with lighting and heating. Everything from ponds to caves and so on can serve as the home to any hair-covered or hairless creature, from a squirrel taking residence in a tree to a single humpback whale living in half the entire ocean. Any animal's nature becomes their own home, and their forests become their own neighborhoods. If only they could develop their own technology and build their own wood culture out of vanity and social media likes.
So what does the environment mean to you?
The environment needs something to be kept clean and well organized, and that is why people should recycle. Yes.
So phenology is something, right? I think what Wikipedia describes as the study of periodic plant and animal life cycle events and how these are influenced by seasonal and internal
cool
variations in
hat.
climate, as well as habitat factors, sounds complicated, but can't be any more different than plants and animals simply living in harmony. It's essentially understanding the weird things in nature, like flowers growing out of season or animals' migrating patterns going differently. It's grown quite the following. In fact, authors Russell G. Foster and Leon Kreitzman have mentioned that by studying rocks, trees, glacial strata known as varves, ocean sediments, ice layers, and coral formations, and allying them with radiometric techniques, we have developed a picture of the variation in seasonal climate in the past resulting from overall changes in climate. So by studying the stranger aspects of nature, we can do several different things. We can see how we can observe and control the environment in order to combat climate change. More than that, it gives us something interesting to look at that is out of the ordinary. Most of all, we can familiarize ourselves with the fact that we are not in control of everything in our planet. We did not create these trees, or these oceans, or these creatures, and we realize that there is a world outside of our own creation. There's a sense of escape into a new world of understanding that shapes our minds and makes us feel things that we have never felt before. So, in conclusion, nature is a wild, varied element of our world. It may be the only aspect of our planet that has not been created by man, no matter how much man attempts to tamper with it. It is important to both preserve it and appreciate it, because without the outside world, what are we but robots running around in our concrete playgrounds and rolling around in our own man-made cultures? But I'd like to see this argument end on a positive note. So I'll say this: visit the park. It'll be nice.
Well, folks, that's another high quality reaction video. I know we had some technical difficulties, but I will totally edit those out. Yeah. So make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to Steve Bob Joe 97. We're this close to 10 subscribers. I can't wait to see what content we watch next. So yeah. Check you guys on the flip side.